A stylish new compact sedan will soon be added to the Kia lineup to replace the current Forte, and it will bear the name K4 and slot under the larger K5 family sedan. The K4 wears a fastback roofline that draws inspiration from the Stinger sports sedan, and wide rear fenders that give the car a sporty stance. The base engine will be the same 147 horsepower 4-cylinder that powered last year's Forte. A 190 horsepower turbocharged 4 is exclusive to the top-rung GT line turbo trim. The K4 is slightly larger than the outgoing Forte, and Kia says the interior is roomier, particularly for rear seat riders, aligning it with other compact sedans such as the Honda Civic, the Mazda 3, the Toyota Corolla, and the Volkswagen Jetta. Other unique design touches include hidden rear door handles and fancy lighting signatures in the front and rear. The sportier K4 GT line has gloss black exterior trim, a satin chrome belt line, black mirror caps, and 18-inch wheels. The cabin echoes the exterior's design theme, with simple door panels flanking a rectilinear dashboard topped by a modern duo of digital displays. Interestingly, the K4 relies on a traditional T-shaped shift lever, and the rest of its center console is refreshingly functional. The starter button lies just to the driver's side of the shifter. There is a pair of large cup holders, and a spacious tray with an available wireless charger lives beneath a row of USB ports. The 2025 Kia K4 has a standard digital instrument cluster and the brand's connected car navigation cockpit software with an available 30-inch screen that spans the dashboard. The system features wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, an AI-powered voice assistant, and a quick controls menu. This might appear to be one mega screen, but in reality it is a pair of 12.3-inch displays smashed together in a roommate situation in that shared binnacle. The LX, LXS, and EX have a medium grey interior, while the EX comes in either slate green or medium grey. K4 GT line models feature an onyx and off-white cabin, a 3-spoke steering wheel, and standard heated front seats. The GT line Turbo also comes with a more sophisticated multi-link rear suspension, whereas all the other K4s come with a torsion beam setup. The 2025 Kia K4 will arrive in LX, LXS, EX, GT Line, and GT Line Turbo grades by mid-2024. The pricing details remain forthcoming, but we're confident the K4's starting MSRP will be marginally higher than the Forte's sub-$20,000 base price.